Hi everyone, getting the could not save contact change error on your Android phone. Don't worry, I will show you simple fixes by step by step. Step 1. Change save location. First, open your contact app, tap settings and set the default account to Google instead of SIM or phone. Then try saving the contact again. Step 2. Check storage space. Go to settings, storage. Make sure your phone has free space. Low storage can stop contacts from saving. Step 3. Clear contacts cache. Go to settings, apps, contacts, storage and cache. Tap clear cache. Step 4. Check permissions. Go to settings, apps, contacts, permissions. Make sure contact and storage are allowed. Step 5. Scan Google account. Go to settings, accounts, Google. Tap scan now to refresh your contacts. Step 6. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone and try again. Final tip. If it still does not work, delete all or duplicate contacts and try saving again. And that's it. These steps should fix the problem easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more simple Android tips.